Hey guys, it's Kay, of course, with another video. I'm on a roll, y'all. So this is going to be my last video for today. This wig was sent to me from Ashimary hair, but this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. There we go. And this box is really heavy, so it came with some wrapping paper, and I'm excited. First of all, when you open the box, it smells so good. Like the hair, they took their time, okay? The hair smells divine, y'all. But y'all, it's screaming fall, okay? So with this wig came with a comb. It also came with a, I do believe this is a bonnet. And here is the little goodie bag. So I guess this is a replacement for the clear string. I don't know if y'all can see that. Also comes with a edge brush. Oh, here is the adhesive wig tape. Then we have some bobby pins. We also have lashes. And we have some wig caps. And it also came with a robe, which I feel like, let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, now that I got my little Ashimary robe on, let's get into this wig. So this is what it looks like. It already comes pre-curled. It is 24 inches long. Again, it smells so good. So when you take it out the packaging, this is the color. Again, this is an orange highlighted wig. Perfect for fall and winter. I'm super excited. Here are the curls. The hairline, as you can see, already comes pre-plucked. I think the knots are bleached. They might be bleached, but the lace is already cut. And then it also comes with the little rollers to keep the curls intact in the front. So the knots are not bleached, but this is what it looks like up against my skin, which is really nice. Inside comes with the adhesive tabs. This is a 360, meaning it has lace going all around the wig, so you can pull this up in the back if you wanted to. And the only comb is the one in the back, and then it also has the adjustable clear string where you can tighten it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Then we have the removable adjustable band, so you can wear this glueless. Alright, y'all, so I have to be quick before my camera go dead, but I did recurl the front and I cut a little bit more layers in it because I felt like it wasn't all forming together like I wanted it to. But y'all, she is so freaking cute. If y'all looking for a fall wig like with some color, you're looking for some color, you're looking for an orange highlighted wig, definitely try her out. I only recurled the front and I cut it a little bit more so the curls can all be in sync. But that's about it. I didn't add any baby hairs to this wig. I did tack it down. Yeah, that's about it. I'm going to turn around real quick so you guys can see it now. The curls in the back are the original curls, you guys. But if my camera goes dead, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.